Hi, Michael Bloom, chiropractor. Something that people tell me really regularly is that as their spine starts to work better, move better, they become a little bit more self-aware of their spine and their body in general. So what do I mean by that? I mean, they start to become aware of what correct posture is. They start to become aware of if they're sitting slumped and slouched, and they self-correct. They start to become more aware of how to lift correctly, how to move correctly. So that self-awareness, it comes about, and it comes about from a brain reason. It comes about because there's a part of the brain, the prefrontal cortex in the front of the brain, which is intricately linked to spine and spine function. When your spine is shut down, it doesn't move well, that part of the brain loses some of its input from the spine and from the spine motion, from the body in general. And when we lose that input to the brain, we lose that integration. It's called sensory motor integration. So the body can't integrate the sensory information and have an accurate, responsive muscular output. So we get a little disconnected, or our internal GPS is off. So when the spine starts to move better, one of the side benefits, along with usually feeling a whole lot better and feeling a whole lot more flexible, is that we actually constantly self-correct and adapt to our environment in a more appropriate way, which, if you think about it, is really helpful because it will help you avoid longer term injury or small repetitive micro injuries, which, as they compound upon each other, start to become a big enough issue that you become really aware of it, usually in the form of pain or dysfunction or the lack of movement. So there's a real connection between the spine and the brain, and the ability of you to become more self-aware and make correct decisions regarding your body in the space and the environment that you are in. I hope this makes sense to you. A little bit complicated, but hopefully I haven't overcomplicated. If you have any questions, please write them below, or any comments, and I'll do my best to get back to you. Wherever you are, stay healthy and well.